Aya ndiwo ma-suggested solutions e-homework yepa-lesson 9.0 Pure Mathematics Circular Measure. Saka question yedu yekutanga, that is our number 1, yanga yakatorwa from a paper Zimsec O-Level Additional Mathematics November 2002. Question iyi yaiti iyo, a section of a railway track is a circular arc of length 50 meters and radius 300 meters. Find the angle through which the direction of the track turns. Saka taudzwa isusu kuti this is a section of a railway track. It is a circular arc of length 50 meters. Saka from this information we can deduce kuti tapiwa arc length. This is an arc length of 50 meters. Ndokubva zvanzi and radius of 300 meters. Kureva kuti tapiwa again a radius of 300 meters. Saka tikada kudrowa this diagram, we have an arc which is 50 meters and then tine a radius from the center of a circle, another radius which is 50 meters, which is 300 meters apiece. Question yedu yobva yati find the angle through which the direction of the track turns. Saka angle yatiri kutsvaga ndi theta. Saka kuti tisolve question iyi hainetsi, zvatinoita isusu tinodai so. Tichati, saka this is our solution yatoda kunyora kuno. We know that the arc length and it's equal to 50 meters. Then tinoziva formula yekutsvaga arc length. Kana musingairangarire, revisit our previous lesson. The formula of finding the arc length is r theta. So r theta is equal to 50 meters. Togona kunyora takati 50. Takuda kusubstitute. We are told that the radius is 300 meters. So 300 theta is equal to 50. Kuti tisare tina theta, which is the angle through which the direction of the track turns, ticha divide both the left hand side and the right hand side with 300. Saka dividing the left hand side with 300, the right hand side with 300. Saka 300 cancels out, 0 kuno yota cancel out, 5 into 5 it's 1 and 5 into 30 it's 6. Kureva kuti theta is equal to 1 over 6. Tonyora edu kuti radians, which is a shorthand yekungoti rad. So our final answer is 1 over 6 rad. Ndomawaniro atinoita this angle. Saka what we have to take home panapa ndezvekuti tapiwa arc length, tashandisa formula ye arc length, ndobva tasubstitute radius ne arc length yatakapiwa yacho to calculate for theta. I think this part is relatively easy. Let us go to part B of question number 1. Part B iri kuti iyo, the diagram shows the cross section of a tunnel which has the shape of a segment of a circle O. The radius of the circle is 2 meters and the size of the angle POQ is pi over 6 radians. Calculate the perimeter of the cross section. Saka in a different color, we need to state out information yatiri supposed to know. Saka tanzi titsvage perimeter. Again, perimeter is defined as the distance right round a shape. The distance right round a shape. Right round a shape. Saka kana tiri panapa, this is the cross section. Tikanzi titsvage the perimeter of the cross section. Kureva kuti tikubva pa point P ino yanditi. Tobva taita go through this major arc tosvika pa Q, then tobva ta include again this distance from Q to P, which is a chord. Saka tiri kuda the distance from this point right round the whole shape tichidzoka again to this point. Saka tinoicalculata sei? In order for us to calculate this, tichanyora kutanga a general statement inoti iyo perimeter of cross section, the perimeter of this cross section is equal to kutanga the perimeter of circle. So the perimeter of the circle, but circle redu iri tiri kuzoona here kuti harina kuzara handiti. Saka we are going to calculate the perimeter of the circle, but inenge yakakurisa kudarika the actual perimeter of the cross section. So we have to subtract the arc length. And yatiri kuti arc length panapa tiri kurefer to this takuisa in dotted lines, this part yakachekwa yacho. Kapart keseko kakachekwa ndokatiri kusubtracta from the perimeter of the circle. I hope it makes sense. And circle redu iri rakachekwa nekapart kanaka kanonzi arc length. Saka kuti tiwane the perimeter of the cross section, tiri kuti the perimeter of the circle tosubtracta kaka arc length kanaka kakachekwa kacho. Then we are going to add PQ. Saka tikacalculata the perimeter of the circle, tawana perimeter yecircle redu rese, tosubtracta arc length kapart kesircle kakagurwa, toadda PQ, which is chi? This chord and this straight line. Saka this is going to be what we are going to do. Takuda manje kutsvaga the perimeter of the cross section. Saka zvachatanga kuita tichati isusu consider, we have to consider the perimeter of the circle. So consider the perimeter of the circle. Saka we know isusu kuti the perimeter of the circle togona kunyora kuti perimeter since tatositeta pamusoro kuti tiri kutsvaga perimeter yecircle. So the perimeter of the circle it's equal to 2 pi r. But ngatidrowei zvakaita shape yedu kuti tione kuti zviri kufamba sei. So this is the semicircle yatinayo. It's actually not semicircle. Pamusana pekuti tingatoti a quarter circle or a 3/4 circle rather. Saka panapa ndozvayakaita. We have a radius of 2 meters. We have an angle of pi over 6. Then ndozvayakaita kudai so. Saka zvatakuita manje pakutsvaka the perimeter of the whole circle, tichati isusu perimeter is 2 pi r. This is the formula. So it's 2 multiplying pi multiplying a radius of also 2, because radius yedu is 2 meters. Saka eventually the perimeter of the whole circle is actually 4 pi. This is the final answer pakutsvaga the perimeter of the circle. After tadaro, we have to consider the arc length. Saka takudzika panapa tonyora isusu kuti consider arc length. Saka arc length yedu isusu we know kuti ine formula. Arc length iri equal to chi? R theta. This is the formula. Yet radius tapiwa kuti ndi 2 meters multiplying theta tapiwa it's pi over 6. Tikati 2 into 2 ndi 1, 2 into 6 ndi 3. Kureva kuti our arc length is actually pi over 3. Tatoe calculator tikaiwana. So zvatiri kuita panapa, just to sum up, tataura isusu kuti the perimeter of the cross section iri given by the perimeter of the circle subtracting the arc length adding the chord PQ. Saka tatowana kuti perimeter of circle ndiani ndi 4 pi. Tacalculate arc length taona kuti ndi pi over 3. Takuchida kucalculate chi? PQ. Saka zvatakuita panapa takuti consider PQ. Now PQ tinoiwana sei? Let us bring our shape tione zvayakaita. Saka pakutsvaga PQ manje, PQ kubva this point, kubva pana P kusvika panani, pana Q. Saka tinowana sei this length? Tikatarisisa tichaona kuti we actually have a triangle. Saka tine triangle yakadai so, and panapa ndi2, pano ndi2 zvakare because this is a radius handika. Then taudza kuti angle inoyi ndiyani? Ndi pi over 6. Saka isusu tiri kutsvaga ngatingoti x, and tiri kutsvaga x. Saka kuti tiwane x, we are going to use the cosine rule. Saka cosine rule yedu tichaiaplya sei? Tichati the side yatiri kutsvaga, which is x, inge yava x squared, it's equal to, then this side 2 squared plus the other side 2 squared, subtracting 2 multiplying 2 times 2 cos of pi over 6. Saka this is the cosine rule. Kana musinga understand this step, you have to revisit and revise the cosine rule from your ordinary level mathematics. Kana kuti you can indicate, then I will make a short video explaining the cosine rule. Rather mukatarisa pama examples atakaita, demonstrate kuti cosine rule inofamba sei. So this is how we are going to apply the cosine rule. So atakuita panapa manje takuda ngo simplify. X squared is equal to 2 squared into 4 plus 2 squared into 4, then subtracting tikati 2 times 24 times 28, so here it's actually 8 cos pi over 6. Saka x squared is equal to 4 plus 4 into 8 minus 8 cos pi over 6. You have to remember that your calculator, your scientific calculator, should be in radians. Make sure that haizi muma degrees uye haizi muma gradients. It should be in radians. Okay, saka takuita computate cos pi over 6, toda kuziva kuti ndiani. Pakucalculate kwedu tichati isusu x squared is equal to 8 minus 8. Then what is cos pi over 6? Cos pi over 6 mcalculator medu inotipa 0.86602540378. Saka tainyora zinamba rese as it appears in our calculator. From there takuti isusu x squared iri equal to chi? X squared iri equal to, tikati isusu 8 times 0.86602540378, tinowana iri 8 minus 6,92820323028. This is the answer we get. Then from there takuti isusu x squared is equal to, what is 8 minus 6,92820323028? Inenge iri 1.07179676972. Ndo answer yatinge tichiwana. Saka panapa manje takutsvaga the square, and because toda kubvisa pa square root kanaka, rather toda kubvisa pa to the power 2 aka, saka we introduce the square root. Saka ta introduce a square root ku left hand side, we do the same kuchi ku right hand side. So x is equal to the square, kana the square root of 1.07179676972. Okay, saka tawana isusu se kunyora kwataita pamusoro, tawana the perimeter of the circle, ta calculator the arc length. Saka perimeter of the circle taicalculata tichishandisa chi 2 pi r, which is the formula. The arc length taicalculata tichishandisa r theta, which is the formula. PQ taicalculata tichishandisa the cosine rule inoti iyo a squared iri equal to b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cos of a. So takuda manje kuziva kuti what is the perimeter of the cross section. Pakucalculate perimeter of the cross section tichati isusu, therefore perimeter of cross section, the perimeter of the cross section, it's equal to, tanga tataura isusu tichiti perimeter of circle and the perimeter of the circle minus the arc length plus the length PQ, which is a chord. Saka perimeter of the circle taicalculata taona kuti ndi 4 pi minus arc length taicalculata taona kuti ndi pi over 3 plus PQ taicalculata taona kuti the square root of 1.07179676972. Saka panapa manje kana uchida kuti maansazi ako ave accurate unofanirwa kunyora zinamba rese raunenge wawana mucalculator, but you can actually reduce it even before you get to the answer to save time uchishandisa maspecifics anenge akapiwa muquestion paper a degree of accuracy. Saka this question manje our answer should be left to the nearest kana kuti reduced to 1 decimal place. So tikaita computate this tikaisa mucalculator 4 pi minus pi over 3 plus square root of 1.07179676972, answer yatichawana inenge iri approximately equal to 12.6 kana iri to 1 decimal place. So this is going to be our answer, and inenge iri in meters. Saka ndo macalculatero atinoita the perimeter of the cross section. What we have to bring home kana kuti part yakanyanya kukosha panapa is this part, kuziva this relationship kuti the perimeter of the cross section inenge iri perimeter of the circle to subtract the arc length then to add the chord PQ. Let us now go over to the last part, which is part C of our question number 1. Question yedu iri kuti a chord AB of length HA is drawn in a circle of radius 12 A. The tangents to the circle at A and B meet at C. Find the area enclosed by AC, BC and the minor arc AB. So zvatichaita panapa tinotanga tademonstrata kuti chii chiri kuitika. Taudzwa isusu kuti, so in a different color, taudzwa isusu kuti a chord AB is of length 8A. So this is the chord AB. It is of length 8A. And ndova zvanzi, it is drawn in a circle of radius 12A. Saka radius, remember, line riri kubva pasenda. Saka tine sender O, then to taita line rikunobata circumference panapa ndiro riri 12A. Then another line rikunobata circumference again will also be 12A. Then in broken lines takuisa chi takupedzisa our circle like this. Saka point inofanira unobata chi pacircumference kuitira kuti line iriri riri kubva pasenda rive a radius. Question yaendera mberi ichiti the tangents to the circle at A and B meet at C. Saka tangent iline rinongobata a circle at one particular point. So this is the tangent riri kubata circle at this point, and also this is another tangent riri kubata circle at what? At this point. Saka zvanzi they are meeting at what? At C. Question yakuti find the area enclosed by AC. So this is AC, BC, BCE and the minor arc AB. Kureva kuti area yatiri kutsvaga ndeiyi yataisa yandaishedha iyi. This is area yatiri kutsvaga. Okay, how are we going to calculate this? Zvatichaita manje ndezvekudai so. Tiri kuda kutanga tatsvaga this angle theta, and toda kutsvaga angle theta. But angle theta tinoiwana sei? Kuti tiwane the angle theta tichaitsvaga tichishandisa the cosine rule. So the cosine rule is very important kana tichidhila ne-circular measure. So for the sake of ease ngatidai so. Toda ku-extracta katriangle aka tokanyora paside, but ngatisei ne-different color. So katriangle kedu kanaka kange kakadai so. Do triangle yedu, and tiri kuibuditsira toda kutsvaga angle theta, remember. But pakutsvaga angle theta tiri kuona kuti triangle, saka panapa pana O, pano pana A, then pano pana B. Panapa it's 12A, apa ndi 12A, panapa ndi 8, panapa ndi 8A. Okay, saka zvatichaita manje, let us say kuti panapa ndi A. Ngatisashandisa A because amboshanda, saka ngatingoti X, side iri ndi X, iri ndi Y, iri ndiani ndi Z. So X, Y, Z. Pakuaplya the cosine rule, saka zvatichanyora in white ndo zvatinge chipresent as our answer. Pakuaplya the cosine rule tinge tichiti isusu Z squared, and which is this line, is equal to X squared plus Y squared minus 2XY cos theta. So remember, revise the cosine rule kana musinganzwisisi kuti makaitiri kudai so. So Z squared, which is this line, is equal to this line X squared plus this line Y squared minus 2XY cos theta. Okay, saka Z tinoziva kuti ndi 8A squared, and this is going to be equal to, then X anenge ari 12A squared plus Y again 12A squared, subtracting 2 iri kumultiply 12 times 12. I think panapa space haichakwani, ngatidai so. So tati minus 2 12 times 12, then cos theta. So 8A squared inenge iri iyo 64A squared. Remember tati 8 squared ndi 64, then A times A ndi A squared. This is equal to 12A squared ndi 144 A squared plus 12A squared ndi 144 A squared minus 12 times 12 anenge ari 144 kati times 2 anoita iye 288. So it's minus 288 A squared cos theta. Okay, ngatangire kunoku for the sake of space. Saka panapa takuti isusu 64A squared is equal to 144A squared plus 144A squared anenge ari 288A squared, subtracting 288A squared cos theta. Then takuda kutora minus 288A squared cos theta tomeisa ku left hand side, anosvika iye ari positive. So 288A squared cos theta, it's equal to, then inotongoinyora sezvairi 288A squared, then 64X squared ndo yakuya ku right hand side yosvika iri minus 64A squared. So zvaitika panapa ndezvekuti iyi minus 288A squared cos theta yaenda uko, yaenda ku right hand side, then 64A squared ikaenda ku left hand side. Ndo zvangoitika apa. Tadaro manje takuti isusu 288A squared cos theta, it's equal to, takati 288A squared minus 64A squared tichawana 224A squared. Then toda kusara na cos theta, saka takudivhaidha kunoku na 288A squared kunoku again na288a squared. Saka 288a squared yoita cancel out kunoku. Tana nacos theta ma-a squared ochekana. Then tikada kuredusa 224 dividing 288 tinowana iri 7/9. You can determine kuti tashandisa which factor to arrive at 7/9. Indangoisa mucalculator ikandibuditsira 7/9. Saka kana takuda kuziva kuti theta ndiani, chengeta kuti chi theta it's equal to arc cos of what? 7/9. So this is our angle. Temptation iri panapa ndeyekuti tobva tatoisa iyi mucalculator. Tikaisa this mucalculator tinowana zinhamba zihombe rekuti hatizokwanisi kuramba tongoridzosera in our solution. So in order for us to curb this, zvatinongoita we express our theta as arc cos of 7/9. Saka theta tamuwana, zviri kumborevei izvi? Theta watawana uyu ndeuyu theta uyu, which is what? Which is arc cos of 7/9. Okay, let us see kuti toenda mberi sei. Alright, tiri panapa manje taakuita sei? We should also know kuti panosangana tangent ne radius panenge paine chi 90 degrees. So this is a right angle, this is also a right angle. Anditi. Then taziva kuti iyi right angle, iyi right angle. Right angle toziva kuti 90 degrees, asi tikaiconverta into what? Tikaiconverta into radians inenge iri pi/2. You can try this uchishandisa conversions atakaita. So it's pi/2. Okay. Zvatiri kuda kuita eventually ndezvekudai so. Rega ndingozvinyora panapa kuitira kuti muve nean idea kuti tiri kuenda kupi. Tiri kuda kucalculate the area of this shaded part. But kuti ticalculate area of shaded part, yakanyorwa ichinzi iyo enclosed area. Saka enclosed area inenge iri equal to the area of the kite. And of course this is a kite. So tichati area of kite minus area of sector. Ndiko kwatiri kuenda uko. Area of kite minus area of sector. So this is where we are going. But tichiri ipapa manje, area of kite inocalculatwa sei. I'm going to show you the formula, but actually formula yacho inongoti half of b1 times b2, where b1 and b2 they are diagonal lines. Sanchakuratidzai kuti zvinofamba sei. But alright, let me show you. Area yekite handiti. So this is a kite. Ndoziva zvakaita kite izvi. So area yekite tinoti half of chi b1 times b2. Saka chiri kunzi b1 panapa ichi idiagonal line iri, then b2 idiagonal line rino iri. Saka half of b1 times b2 ndozviri ngotaurwa panapa. Ndinotwari tichazonyatsokudemonstrata kuti zviri kufamba sei. Saka tikauya pakite yedu inoi, tiri kutoona kutoti b1 tatova nayo, titori nediagonal line riri kubva pathis point richinobata pathis point, which is 8a. So we now need to find this diagonal line riri kubva papoint e and it pathis point ish. This diagonal line ndoro ratiri kuda kutsvaga iri. But diagonal line rino iri harifanirwi kutinetsa because tikatarisa panapa tiri kuona kuti this is the broken line handitika. Then pano ndo pana o, tine line riri kuuya kunoku richinosvika pana b, taudzwa kuti nditi of a. Then again tine line riri kubva pana b richiuya kuna c, hatisi kuziva ndiani, but panapa taudzwa kuti ndi pi/2, which is 90 degrees kana taakuma degrees. Pi/2 kunenge kuri kuma radians. Saka panapa of course we are going to be using what? The We can use the Pythagoras theorem, but we cannot use the Pythagoras theorem. Why can't we use the Pythagoras theorem? Because for a Pythagoras theorem, we need two sides. A side ratinaro panapa ndiani nditkof A. So rather we are going to use the trigonometrical ratios. Saka trigonometrical ratios edu, we know isusu kuti it's chashotawo, and but manje isusu tiri kutsvaga hypotenuse. Hypotenuse line riri opposite the 90-degree angle. Saka tiri kutsvaga hypotenuse. But saka tiri kutsvaga chi? Hypotenuse ndo yatiri kuda. Takapiwa chi? Takapiwa theta, the angle. Takapiwa futi chimwe chi? Saka theta yedu inenge iri panapa, angle yedu ishi. Anditi? So angle yedu iyi ndo inenge iri opposite. Saka takapiwa futi nechi? Neadjacent. Saka tikatarisa panapa kuti tine adjacent, tiri kuda hypotenuse, kureva tichashandisa chi? Cha. Anditi? Cha inotaura iyo kuti cos theta iri equal to something. So let us apply this. Saka takuya panapa manje tinogona kutonyora edu kuti calculating OC. And saka OC toicalculata sei? Tichati isusu cos theta iri equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. Andika then tivatati cos. But manje theta yedu ndoda kuti muone something. Theta iangle yakabata pese apa. But isusu katiri kuda kahalf, because iri line iri idiagonal, rinenge riri a perfect bisector. Kureva kuti kana kubva papoindi kuyapa iri theta, zvoreva kuti isusu tiri kuda chi? Half ya theta. But theta tamboicalculata, remember, taona kuti theta ndi arc cos of 7/9. Saka panapa manje pakuriplesa kana kusubstituta theta, teta kuti cos of what? 1/2. And because angle aka half, so it's 1/2 of what? Arc cos of 7/9. I hope I'm not confusing panapa kuti the reason yatati half of the arc cos of 7/9 inawe yekuti theta yedu inenge iri half, kahalf katiri kuda. Saka half of theta yatacalculata panapa is arc cos of 7/9. Saka cos of theta, theta yedu iri chi? Half of arc cos of 7/9, it's equal to adjacent nditkof A over what? Over hypotenuse. Okay. Tadai so manje tikaisa cos and half of arc cos of 7/9 apa pakutoda calculator iri powerful, a scientific calculator yekuti unogona kuzvinyora sezvazviri. Calculator iya yakaita se right view inotonyora mafractions, because ukashandisa sharp for example haikubuditsire answer panapa. Tikabvisa mucalculator izvi tichawana a value of 0.942809041158. This is equal to 12A over hypotenuse. Saka hypotenuse yedu tikada ku by some form of cross multiplication, hypotenuse iri equal to 12A over 0.942809041158. This is what the hypotenuse is equal to. Tikai computer hypotenuse yedu inenge iri equal to 12.72792206,139. This is our hypotenuse. Saka remember, hypotenuse yedu iline rino iri. Tadaro manje hazvichatinetsi, tichiri panapa tinenge takuya kunoku takuti consider area of kite. Anditi? Saka tati isusu the area of a kite tinoti area of kite iri equal to half of b1 multiplying b2, where b1 b2 diagonals. Saka kite yedu yatiri kutora pashape yedu yakadai so. Saka panapa tatoudzwa kuti ndiani, ndi 8a, then zidiagonal rino iri ndo ratacalculata rikatipa number iyi, which is 12,72792206139a. So kana tacalculata panapa tinenge takuti ngatinyore kuno uku kuitira space. So area of kite iri equal to 1/2 of b1 ndi 8a, then b2 inenge iri chi 12.72792206139a. Then panapa of course 2 into 2 1, 2 into 8a ndiani ndi 4a. Saka tika multiplier 4a times 12.72792206139 tinowana 50.9116882456 a squared. Saka this is the area of the kite. Okay, saka tawana the area of the kite manje, of course takuti chi consider area of sector. Saka takuda consider the area of the sector, of which the formula is half r squared theta. Saka panapa teta kungoti half of radius taudzwa kuti ndi 12a, so it's 12a squared, then theta taicalculata tikaona kuti ndi arc cos of chi 7/9. Saka panapa teta kuti 1/2 of 144a squared, which is what, which is 144a squared taiwana from 12a squared, then with chi multiplying the arc cos of 7/9. Okay, so tikaisa e mucalculator medu tinowana 48.9365149613 squared. Alright, saka takuda kudzokera kuno uku manje panapa enclosed area. I hope understand kuti area of the kite kureva kuti area yeshape yedu yese subtracting area yekasector totosarwa nechi shaded. So kana takuda kuconclude our question tinenge takuti isusu enclosed area, and teta tonyora kudhara kuti enclosed area iri equal to the area of the kite subtracting area of sector, of which area of kite tawana 50.9116882456 a squared minus area of sector tawana isusu iri 48.9365149613 a squared. Tikasubtracta manumbers aya tichiexpressa to 2 decimal places, answer yedu inenge iri 1.97 a squared. This is the final answer. By the way, my answers aya, they are marking scheme verified. Kureva kuti ndatotarisa marking scheme ndikatoona kuti ndiyo answer yechokwadi. Maanswers ese atinoita, I will never record a video ndisina kuverify maanswers angu with a marking scheme. Bhuku ratiri kushandisa iNexus Practice Theory rakanyorwa nemaZimbabwean mathematicians, that's why tichiwana maZIMSEC and Cambridge examples. So iyo answer iyo ndiyo answer itori mumarking scheme. You understand? This is the answer which is in the marking scheme. So this is how we calculate question number 1. If you have any questions, please indicate. I will try to explain in a way you understand, because the goal here is for you to understand and eventually gain 5 points in your pure mathematics advanced level paper. Kana mabatsirika, please subscribe, share and like for the channel to gain traction. Otherwise, thank you for attending to this lesson and take care.